you can see that you have to select any of the particular post. Okay, if you wanted to run for any post or read or next post or read, then these days you might have seen creators asking the audience to put a particular word in the comments and the link directly gets sent on their day. But how exactly does this work? Welcome to day 197 of 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we are looking at manychat, an AI powered platform that helps you automate comments, DMs and conversations across platforms. And in today's video we will be exploring how to create this smart comment to DM automation that you keep seeing all over social media. Let's check it out. So to begin, head over to manychat.com and a pop-up like this has already opened for me. I'll click on continue and it takes me to app.manychat.com registration. This is basically your channel connection. I can do it with Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. Let me click on OK here, or Telegram. Let's go with Instagram. So a few steps left. We have to go to Instagram. So let me do that. And let's go with Instagram with 7. I have to accept it on my phone. Click on save info and view profile and access media. This is required. So that's already enabled by default. Access and manage comments, access and manage messages, access and manage insights. Click on allow. Reply more and grow your followers with Pro. Right. So if you want to take the Pro plan, then these are the advantages. Try Pro automations for free. Right. It's a 14 days free trial that we get. But I would start with free plan for now. How will you use manychat? For myself, for client, for my employer. For myself, click on next. Who or what is this account about? A business, a person, other. Let's say a business. And for what is this? Professional service. Click on next. Enable working. Couple of things I've enabled. You can go through the list and enable it for whatever you are going to use this for. Click on next. Again, couple of things. Click on next. Congratulations, Red 7 Tops is connected. Auto DM links from comments. Okay, this is the most popular one. You can also have generate leads with stories, right? Which is also popular. It says respond to all your DMs, right? Auto send customized replies when people DM you. So let's go with this one. Okay. Now you can see that you have to select any of the particular post. Okay. If you wanted to run for any post or read or next post or read, then those are available only in the Pro plans. Okay. So let me select the first one here. Click on next. And this comment has a specific word or words. If you have a specific word that you want, then you can mention that. Or for any word, you can mention any word, right? Select the any word option. Click on next. They will get an opening DM. Hey there, I'm so happy you are here. Thanks so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a second. Okay. Send me the link, a DM with the link. Right. So this is the first message that goes out, and then we can add the link over here. Here's the link, join our community. Add a link. Here goes the link, and that is abc.brick7.com. So this is our community. For those of you who have still not joined, please join. So label button could be join community, and the link is this one. Click on save and click on next. Other things to automate: reply under the post so people see seen and special. You can enable this. Okay. Thanks, please see DMs. Send you a message. Check it out. Nice. Check your DMs. Right. So you can have these three things. Okay. Or of course you can change it as needed. Follow to re-engage and build trust. Pro plan. Automatically ask for a follow to build your audience. Pro plan. Ask for emails in DM to keep in touch beyond social. Again, a pro plan. Right? So once this is done, we are all set. I'll close this particular thing and click on go live. Amazing work. Your first automation is live. To see the magic in action, ask a friend to comment on your Instagram post. Now, because I am not asking any friend to do it and I don't have multiple accounts to test this, I quickly show you how this works, right? So here, if you go to post, this is the post that we have. And when somebody comments, like leaves any comment, then a reply will go from our side, which is thanks, please check DMs, right? And the DM will be something like this. Hey there, I'm so happy you are here. Thank you so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a second. Please share the link. Okay, this will be a button. When they click on this, a message will be shown as though they have sent us a message, which is please share the link. And as soon as we get that, the next message goes out, which is here's the link to join our community. Join the community. This is precisely how this automation works. And that's how simple it is to create an instant DM automation on Instagram. Not just that, you can create a full-blown automations to answer FAQs, guide them through sales process, share resources, or even qualify leads, all without ever typing a single reply. So if you are a creator or business looking to engage better and save time, manychat is worth a try. Go ahead and give it a try and share how did you use manychat for your automation. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.